Mine pretty much. You know what? We'll do that. So we're gonna go just like that. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Oh my goodness, what are you doing? Rose, really? Really? Let me let you in on a little secret here. Rose has never seen a shark before, have you? So I don't know. Okay, so what was the got? Share with me. Right? Really? And then what? Yeah. Wow. I had no idea. Did you? Oh, today.